know we haven't done an update in so long, and I'm really sorry, but I think in this episode you'll get a sense of just what it takes to get work done on the boat. It's never straightforward. Something that you might think will take an hour or two takes days, and there's just always something that you haven't thought about or haven't planned for. So in this episode we show you a little bit of the plumbing that we did. We also make a box for our autopilot, and then in between we still try and hang out with friends and socialize. So enjoy. Today is a big clean out. That was a cabinet and we've ripped it all out and painting it and then putting new cupboard doors in, and we've got to sort out all our stuff as well. It's amazing, we still have too much stuff after cleaning out our whole house. So like there's stuff everywhere, so it's a big clean out today. Chris is looking for paint. Oh my goodness. Hello.
Morning.
Oh, have you found what you were looking for?
No, I haven't found what I was looking for.
You still haven't found what you were looking for?
I still haven't found what I'm looking for.
And this needs to be tidied up as well. So lots to do. One of the more straightforward jobs were building a box for our autopilot. It was slightly raised once installed and we made a cover for it. So it's a very straightforward box. Krista built the box, I did the paintwork, and it came out really nicely. So in the aft cabin we've got a slightly raised platform, but it's great. It's really out of the way, and it was a very straightforward job as well. And it looks pretty good. We've got to cover our cushions, so I'm using normal rubbish bags but not cutting them open, so it's a double layer, and we can actually use the bags afterwards, although I'm not keen on single use plastic. Christo just said
Double use.
And what are double use?
The letter and alphabet.
We had to strip off all the panels and really clean out the back. We used acetone to get any residue off, and this is all the salt from that. So it kind of like gathered here for 20 years. That's still salt that I've got to scrape off. Often things happen kind of simultaneously. So this particular morning, Krista thought it'll do a very quick job of changing the plumbing in the bathroom.
What do you want to see?
What are you doing?
I'm looking inside the basin. It's not working because it's pumping into the basin and not out of the boat. So we're putting a one-way valve.
It's pretty disgusting. So every time we want to clear that after a shower, it pumps through there. It's you. Where's the one-way valve? There. So that's the one-way valve. So that's Christo's job for the morning. So, there's not a lot of space. Look at this. A bit more complicated when we thought. The pipes don't line up, so now we have to remove everything, and we might have to go to a hardware store to get different pipes. Fun! So the problem is that thing is freaking, we can't get it out because it's glued tight. And it's really a mission, so we're holding it there and we're trying to strip it because it's been stuck there for 20 years. Okay, let's try. Okay, go.
Okay, bottom?
Yeah.
Come on.
Weet je? At least now we can replace it. This afternoon's one doesn't work, so I'm a little bit scared. You can't really see, but there's like water everywhere. So apparently the one broke. So a whole day's work. Oops. A whole day's work, Christo. I've got to clean up this mess, and I don't want to.
Why don't you want to?
I'm tired.
And
there's a lot of mess.
What am I gonna do?
You're gonna clean up that mess.
Exactly.
We've got a messy boat. And we haven't made progress because the bathroom is still not working. That's looking better. At least. But we have too much stuff still on the boat, so we need to move it. And we got laundry done, and that's then like stuff and jewelry and stuff. But we can't keep it because there's no space. It's inevitable. Ever so inevitable. Okay. That's it. They said it will be fun. They said. So this is the job that was supposed to take 5 minutes this morning, and Krista just wrapped it up. You can't really see a thing, but we've had to do it again, meaning the royal we. Thanks, Krista. And I cleaned up the boat. See, now we can sleep again. That's just kind of a mess that we're not talking about. And the rest of the boat is also a mess because all the cabinets are empty and we're putting in a new cupboard there, so everything's messy. Other more straightforward jobs were lifting the floorboards to check what's underneath and cleaning all those containers because we're going to use it for storage once we get underway. We also got measurements done for our bimini. There's like stuff in the Land Rover. That's an outboard motor. Refilled gas bottles, and I'm most excited about that. Woo. Let's have a look. Ding 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 ding. Outboard motor and tank and gas bottles and our shwe cockpit cushions. Yes. We're updating our list. Outboard?
Yeah.
Done.
Yes.
Dinghy?
Done.
Yes. Canvas?
Halfway.
Half a job. They've got to come back. Carpentry?
Started.
Started. Hot water?
Started.
Question mark. Yeah, let's not look at that and that. But yay, 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 and yay. It's funny. Yay and ugh. In the next episode, I will show you how the cabinets turned out. Spoiler alert, they are great. And they made the world of difference to staying organized in such a small space. In between the chaos of trying to get stuff done, we're very conscious of spending time with family and friends, because at the end of the day, that's what really counts.
Here on the boats, but it's all very different when you roll that joint. It's alright, baby.
thanks to everyone for popping by and saying hi. We really appreciate it. Until next time.